It took a lot of searching online, but I did it. I can't stand no parts made in China or Mexico or Thailand. After a lot of searching, I found this water pump made in Canada for my Eco Chevy Cruze. I can't believe I found it. And it was expensive. It was $85 for the water pump and the gaskets. Look where the gaskets are made. The gaskets are made in Germany. Right there, made in Germany. It's hard to believe. Here's the water pump's made in Canada with imported parts and pieces. Importees. Germany. Look at this. The gasket for it, made in Germany. All this was about, it was $84.95 on eBay. $84.99 and free shipping. I could have had this pump made in China for 15 bucks. I didn't want it, because the China pump will just go bad. This is made in Canada. Look at that. Why is it got a blur? Made in Canada. I'm really happy I found it. And that gasket, the little gasket, Germany. I like that. I don't like putting no foreign parts on my car. I don't mind China, Germany, Japan, but not no Thailand or Taiwan or Mexico or China. That water pump made in China might last a year, if that. I'm happy I paid more. I hope the mechanic will give me a good deal putting it on. It's not a fun job. Now I gotta find a serpentine belt that's not made in China or Mexico, Taiwan, Thailand. I would like one made in the USA. Filming in a Sony 4K HDR AX33 camcorder in 4K. It should come out real good.